Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color on Instagram stories. So here I've already opened my Instagram. Then I'm going to just click on the plus icon and go to story. Then I'm going to just click on create. Okay, so you now see this is the current background. You can change the color in here by clicking on this circle at the top, at the bottom right corner. It will change like this. Then you can just type in, for example, hello. Click on next. Then if you want to change the background again, you can just click on this, or you can also click on the three dots icon at the top, go to draw, and then choose the color that you want. Okay, I want to use yellow for example. Then just long press on the background and it will change like this. Then you can always choose another color, then long press again. Okay, so that's the trick for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.